the McLean County Fairgrounds in Bloomington, Illinois, the site of Bloomington Gold. To say that Bloomington Gold is a Corvette show is like saying Frank Sinatra does a little singing. This event, which began in 1973, has become the ultimate four-day family reunion for Corvette owners and lovers from the 50 United States and beyond. Bloomington Gold attracts over 30,000 attendees and over 3,000 Corvettes, spanning every Corvette model year from 1953 to present. For a Corvette owner to proudly proclaim that he attended Bloomington Gold is a resounding statement of his profound dedication to what has always been referred to as America's only true sports car. The National Corvette Certification Board, a group of Corvette enthusiasts dedicated to the restoration and preservation of these cars, provides a fun and fact-filled four-day program that has evolved dramatically from the first Bloomington Gold, which amounted to little more than a few Corvettes and a swap meet back in 1973. On Thursday, the first day of the event, Corvettes begin to arrive at the fairgrounds in wave after wave. Right off the bat, there's a series of seminars conducted by a hand-picked staff of instructors covering a vast array of Corvette restoration and maintenance topics. Engine overhaul, body repair, interior restoration, a seminar on Corvette literature and memorabilia, even a session for serious Corvette restorers on the proper way to remove a Corvette body during a body-off restoration. The seminars are held day and night until late Friday afternoon, when one of Bloomington Gold's most impressive activities takes place. An all-Corvette cruise through the Illinois countryside involving no less than 600 Corvettes in a procession that takes 1 hour to leave the fairgrounds and then stretches for 20 miles. During the 4 days of Bloomington Gold, there's an enormous vendor area where over 400 amateur and professional Corvette part and accessory dealers display over 1 million Corvette parts for sale. Need a teak steering wheel, ignition shielding, fuel injection emblems, or side exhaust covers? Bloomington Gold is the place to find them. Another popular event at Bloomington Gold is the auction, where dozens of Corvettes are offered to the highest bidder. And with the value of original and restored Corvettes spiraling upward every day, it's amazing to witness the prices that many of these cars command. This 1969 427 Corvette was sold at this year's auction for $95,000. Next door to the auction is the show and sell area, where anyone hoping to buy or sell a Corvette can get together for some good old-fashioned horse trading. Down the road at an exhibition hall at Illinois State University, a group of Corvettes displayed in the Special Collection exhibit features a variety of extremely rare, low mileage, or one-of-a-kind Corvettes, from design studies to remarkably rare competition cars. This special collection represents literally millions of dollars worth of Corvette history. On Sunday, the most anticipated event of Bloomington Gold takes place, the certification competition, where over 100 Corvettes vie for the coveted accolade known as the Bloomington Gold Certificate. It's awarded annually to only those cars that are judged within 5% of total factory originality. There are silver and bronze certificates as well, and just the privilege of qualifying for certification is considered a worthy accomplishment. But being awarded a Bloomington Gold Certificate is the ultimate reward for maintaining or restoring the originality of any vintage Corvette. And it will increase the value of the car sometimes by tens of thousands of dollars. For these ecstatic Corvette owners, the recognition of their achievement is more than ample reward for the many hours spent preparing and pampering their cars. Bloomington Gold, a wonderland of glistening fiberglass that pays lasting tribute to a car that for many is truly the heartbeat of America.